stand and to be safe. So I pray for Karuma Bridge. Surely people pray. This is still a prayer. Time to declare is coming, but this is a prayer. Why? It is still too much in the spirit for these pillars in that river. There are some pillars of man in that river Nile. Some pillars of Jagari. Some pillars of Jagari. God's hand is coming in a mighty way, and these falls of Jagari will be off for some days. Surely, this water eruption of River Nile shall leave Jagari Dam. May it not be broken to the ground, for it is our source. Jagari. Big sweeping of violent water. When water is violent, it doesn't know a building, it doesn't know a machine, it doesn't know any person. Father, humble the great that lives in water, but not destroying the great that we look at as your children. Father, we thank you. Father, pillars in River Nile, bringing Father from heaven, come and settle this land. So I know Karuma Bridge shall not survive, because bridges in China did not survive. I don't know if they are the builders of here. Even Taiwan, pillars of evil did not stop the wind to move in that land. So, these pillars of Jagat will not stop God from arranging his nation. Big eruption. Surely. But surely we need an answer that is settled. I released this message. So that people, there are those who know how to cry. Some people can cry on bed. Some people can cry on their knees. Some people can cry on the street. Some people can cry in their sanctuary. Some people. So use that cry to your Father, who knows how you love him than he hates in this season now. Pillars to be broken in this move of the rising waters in this land. Father, thank you. Oh, River Nile. So, this is not flooding. Please, this is not flooding. I know the difference. An eruption within water. It's not flooding. Flooding is when water can cover some parts, but this is violent, meaning to be moving with power, to sweep other funny, violent things in the land. Father, thank you, for I know you reveal to save, not to destroy. So I declare this Jagali Dam find favor from God. Though it will be off, may it not be shattered forever. Father, thank you. If man wants to ask questions, let me ask God. He is there to answer. But this is a big wind in the water of River Nile. So violent that people will be forced to migrate. so violent. So if I'm playing for River Nile, if it crosses through your land, look at where it is passing. Start playing like me. Who knows how violent water can be in any land? Whether it is a hill, it can cover it in a night. And you find when you are below the sea level. When the whole hill is below the sea level, these waters are higher than any level of the sea. They can migrate higher than any level of the sea, which man never taught us. Father, we thank you. First Timothy 5, verse 1. Rebuke not an elder, but entreat him as a father, and the younger men as brethren. So these are our brothers who are going to be saved. These are our fathers who live in that place, in those places along the Nile. Very many people. By the time we reach in Israel, River Jordan, it's Israel. It will be danger in society. Father, I know when you start from Bujagali, when you achieve your answer, you will not vibrate in Egypt.